Hey there! Welcome to Module 2 of our Addition and Subtraction series. In this module, you will be using base 10 blocks to model subtraction. For each problem, you'll read through it and develop an equation that represents the problem. You can type out your equation by double-clicking on the colorful outlined box and typing in your numbers and symbols using your keyboard. When you're done with that, you'll use the base 10 blocks on the left-hand side to model your problem and the actions that are required to find your solution. You can build your number here in the place value chart using the hundreds, tens, and ones block. And as you remove pieces from your total or from your original number to find the difference, you can move some of the blocks to this bottom space here and treat it like a trash bin so that you can find your final difference. When you're done, you'll record your answer as a complete sentence that answers the original question. Double-click on that outlined box in order to write your solution statement. You'll repeat that same process for multiple examples, but pausing to reflect on the way. You'll think about what needs to happen if you don't have enough of one place value. That means if you have a 3 in the tens place, but you need to take away 8 tens, what would you do? You can type your response in the box on top, and you can use the scribble tool from your toolbar in order to draw a picture at the bottom to help you explain your answer. The next set of problems will require you to take one extra step. Instead of writing your equation horizontally, you'll now record it vertically. Each one of these cells is room for you to write a different digit. So if you were recording the number 123, you could write it here. If you needed to do any kind of regrouping, you could record those numbers here in the top row, and you have room down here to record your difference. You'll still record your solution statement in a complete sentence that answers the original question. That same process will be used for the next few examples. And at the very end, you'll take some more time to reflect on your processes. In the first part, you'll explain how base 10 blocks can be used to model subtraction. Think about the actions that you took with the place value blocks and what you did with them. Then, reflect on what types of situations or actions require you to use subtraction. If you need help with that question, you can always go back and look at what kinds of problems you solved along the way to help you think of an answer here. Thanks so much for watching, and happy learning!